Welcome to our video. If you don't have a professional image for your LinkedIn or other profiles, this video is for you. I'll show you how to transform any unflattering photo into a polished, professional image. Let's get started.
Saving the future, $1 at a time. With Zohab AI, we're gonna...
Open any browser, go on search bar and search ideogram, and this site will open. To begin, please create an account. Once your account is set up, you will encounter the following interface. Now in this text area, give this prompt which is available in description. And set this model to 0.2. Click on this Generate button, and after this it will take few seconds to generate image. Here, image is generated. Now select any of the image and download in your PC. Now go on Google search bar and search for AI face swap and open this site. Now here upload your AI generated image, and here upload your original image. Next, click on the swap button. Please allow a few seconds for the process to complete, and your image will be ready. And your image is now ready. You can use this app to create even better images according to your preferences. That concludes today's tutorial. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.